Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today is an exciting day. A lot of people like the recipe, and a lot of people say, you know what, Chef Ricardo, I want to see how you make your sweet potato pancake. Today we're going to show you how you can make yourself sweet potato pancake at home in your kitchen. And hopefully you guys will like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to show you from start to finish and from finish to start. Thank you so much for the support, and also who request the recipe. Well, we're going to give it. We got one more recipe which is going to come up very soon. How to make a white cheese sauce for your pasta bake at home. Thank you so much. And this is Chef Ricardo on the team. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So right here, guys, I got two medium-sized nice sweet potato. Basically, you can get sweet potato at any local shop, supermarket. This is a Brazil one. This is a yellow one I'm going to use to make my sweet potato pancake. So basically you can just wash them off, or you can just simply wrap it into a file like this. And just simply put it into your oven and bake it for 30 minutes and leave it overnight for it to cool down. That's the best way, or leave it for a couple of hours to cool down. We don't want to make your pancake. So we're going to bake this inside of the oven, and we're going to show you how to make sweet potato pancake. Enjoy the recipe, and this is from Chef Ricardo on the team as we put this in the oven for 30 minutes. Gas mark 6 or 7. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 or 165 is good for half an hour. If not, you can give it another 10 minutes because you want it really soft. All right? Enjoy the recipe, guys, as we show you how to make sweet potato pancake today. Nice and lovely. So today we're going to show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely sweet potato pancake at home. And this is from Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. As I said, we're going to explain, I'll show you how to roast the potato half an hour in your oven and use it next day. So basically, this is the potato which I've been roasted 24 hours ago. What I did, I leave it for it to cool down. And all you need to do, simple, cut it half, and look at that, beautiful. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use one sweet potato, and basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply just, as you can see, the skin already come off, very easy. So that's one of the best way you could ever roast your potato at home, guys, is this way. Simple, very easy and effective. And I'm telling you, you will love this recipe because it's a new recipe. Probably might saw someone do it before, but I'm telling you, it's a nice, lovely recipe. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just use my whisk and give it a whisk like this. So as you can see, that's how it looks inside of the bowl, because the potato is already mashed up. Look at that, beautiful. Next thing, I have 2 eggs right here, which I'm gonna pour straight inside of it like this. That's my 2 eggs. Give it a whisk. As you can see, looking lovely. Inside of the bowl same way. Roughly, I have 1/4 cups of white granulated sugar. Pour it straight inside of it. Give it a whisk. As you can see, next thing I have, let's put in some cinnamon first. Pinch of cinnamon. And also pinch of grounded nutmeg. A pinch of mixed spice. And also a teaspoon of vanilla. Lovely. You can add salt if you do like, but I'm not gonna add any salt in mine. Give it a whisk. Get those flavor inside of it. Look at that, beautiful. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of self-rising flour. You can sieve your flour if you like, but I'm not gonna sieve mine, to be honest. Take your time and mix it in. As you can see. So that's looking beautiful and nice. Look at that. And I didn't add no milk or anything inside of it. So basically what I'm gonna do is just add a pinch of milk. Not too much milk because you don't want it to be too runny. So I'm just gonna add a pinch of milk. So that's the pinch of milk. Just a pinch, not too much. Because you want to get that freeness. Yeah, that runniness, that's what we're looking for. Look at that. Beautiful and nice and smooth. So that's it so far. Basically what we're going to do now, we're going to show you how to make the pancake. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. So, light my stove. That's my stove right here. Lighten up. Nice one. Basically, I'm just going to use frying oil, which is sunflower oil. But this one is a thin one. I'm going to spray my oil inside of it, which is a little bit more easier. So all you need to do, just like that, spray it in. And the reason why I'm using the spraying oil, because this is a little bit more easier to make your pancake, because you don't need too much oil. So as I can see, the next thing what I'm gonna do, simple. Put in some pancake. Nice one. As you can see, turn on my stove a little bit. Not too high. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, now I'm gonna lift over the pancake. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Now this is American way of making pancake. This is the American style. So we're gonna make a few of them just so you guys can see exactly what we are talking about. So look at this. Beautiful and nice. So that's the first one. I just spray a little bit of oil. As you can see, that's the best way to do your pancake. Nice and lovely. I just finished my sweet potato pancake, guys, and look at that. Beautiful and really nice. Hopefully you guys like the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out like this. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, working very hard to give you recipes. Follow step by step. Can't go wrong. As you can see, I will make the sweet potato pancake. Enjoy the recipe and thank you so much. See you next time.